Hey guys, welcome back to the Simply Stacey YouTube channel. Today I will be shooting a video on my new favorite accessory. So this is an accessory that I did accessorize with back in the day, but for some reason in 2020, earlier on in this year, I have a newfound relationship with them and a newfound appreciation for them. So I will get rid of the suspense. My new favorite accessory is headbands. Look at all these headbands that I have. So I just actually did a Amazon purchase, I think a couple days ago, and my order came with 6 headbands and also this cute little bow thing here. I actually have another one that is pink and green in my sorority colors, but this is very Gucci inspired, right? It is super cute. And I will put all this stuff in the description box below. But my actual new favorite accessory is the headbands. So all of these headbands I actually got from Forever 21 for about $3. They are so super cute. As you can see, I am wearing a bun. My hair is in a bun. And I'll give you a look at all of these lovely headbands. How cute is that? This one is orange, yellow, black, white. It just adds a little bit of something to all of your looks. This is one of my favorite color combos, and it is orange and blue. And that is because I graduated from the University of Illinois, fighting Illini. Let's go Illini. And then also my high school colors are also orange and blue, the East St. Louis Flyers. So I'll always have a fondness. And you see how this one has the bow on it? So that one is just really super cute. As you can see, I just have it on with all black right now so that you guys can just focus on the headband and it doesn't clash with my outfit. But yes, if you're wearing a bun, if you're wearing your hair straight, if you're wearing your hair in a ponytail, or if you're wearing your hair in its natural curly state, these headbands just do a little something extra. So I've been natural for years. I believe I got my last relaxer in 2009. So I have not had a relaxer probably in about 10 years. I've been natural. And if any of you guys out there are natural, you'll know that sometimes you just get tired of the same old thing, the same old hairstyle that you wear every day. So I do experiment quite a bit. But this right here is another way to just, give yourself a new look. Especially if you wear buns all the time or ponytails all the time. Okay, so all of the ones that you are currently seeing were from Forever 21. I got them around Christmas time. They were all about $2 to $3 each. They are so cute. Look at that. I've been wearing this one to work a lot lately. And that's the other thing. So these headbands can be worn to work. They can be worn to church, out on the town. Now this is my new pack from Amazon. So these just came in the mail. They are so cute. Look at that, guys. Pearls. So there is cream, pink, sorry, the lighting. Yeah, you can see it now. Black, all three with pearls. And then these, I think these are more like the Gucci inspired, but they're super cute. Look at that, navy blue and red, pink, red, and green. And then the black, red, and green. How cute are they? They were on Amazon. I think I got this 6-pack for $15.99. Cute, right? Letting you see them all. Super cute. I mean, like, I have a ton of colors. I have some that are kind of more casual. I don't know if I tried this one out. This is the navy blue one. Yeah, some that are more casual, some that are more classy. Like this pearl cream one. So super cute, guys. Check it out. So cute. There's the pink pearl one. So I have a special fondness for pearls. It's one of the things with my sorority is that we have our 20 pearls for our founders. And so I just really like pearls. We wear pearls all the time, especially at a sorority meeting, which I am running late to. So I have to get out of here. This is the one I'm going to wear today. I have on an all black dress. I'm going to sorority meeting, so I will be wearing my pearls. And this just classes it up and dresses it up a little. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know, do you have a favorite accessory? Is it a belt? Is it shoes? Is it a bag? Is it a headband, brooch, anything? Hey, write it down in the comments. Let me know. Maybe I'll try some of those things out. But right now, headbands is where it is. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know. Are you wearing headbands? Are you going to give it a try? Thank you, guys. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.